Today, we're going to discover exactly how to leverage AI and YouTube to completely escape obscurity and build compounding digital assets. Seriously, if you've been sitting there feeling like, you might be absolutely incredible at what you do, but nobody actually knows you exist, well, this is exactly what you need to hear. So here's our agenda. We're going to break down 5 key areas. 1. Why AI isn't the real threat. 2. The rise of the contentpreneur. 3. Using AI for ultimate speed. 4. Cultivating the right audience. And 5. The evergreen YouTube asset. Section 1. AI isn't the real threat. Let's start by dismantling a massive myth holding so many people back right now. Listen to this reality check. AI isn't a threat. Obscurity is the threat. So many people are absolutely terrified that AI is coming to take over everything. But the crucial point here is that you are not battling artificial intelligence. You are battling obscurity. You are battling the fact that you have all this knowledge, but nobody is aware of it. The reality is AI. AI can actually be the exact rocket fuel you need to finally become known if you use it properly to grab the right attention. We're actually seeing this massive shift happen in real time. We are literally moving away from a dead economy and into the attention economy. Look, most people out there, they're training for a dead economy. They spend years learning super specific skills for traditional jobs, building a resume, and just kind of hoping someone rewards them for following the rules. But we live in an attention and trust economy now. Today, your authority and perceived expertise are what drive success. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. If you can build your perceived expertise online as a trusted authority, you win. Attention is essentially your new resume. Section 2. Rise of the contentpreneur. Let's look at how escaping obscurity builds into an entirely new way of operating online. So what exactly is a contentpreneur? Well, moving away from just hunting for views and subscribers like a typical creator, a contentpreneur focuses on the business first. It's all about moving your audience off of these platforms and onto assets you actually own. You're not just crossing your fingers hoping for AdSense money or waiting around for some brand to sponsor you. No. You are building communities, you're building email lists, and you're building digital products. You're taking your own intellectual property and creating true leverage that you control. And this timeline is it's wild to think about. If we look back through history, wealth was leveraged through labor first. Then during the industrial age, it shifted to leveraging capital. Think John D. Rockefeller. Next came the tech boom, where the wealthy leveraged code like Bill Gates. But today, right now, we are in the era of media. Personal media and YouTube channels are the absolute new frontiers of massive leverage. The playing field is completely leveled. Section 3. Use AI for ultimate speed. Let's dive into using artificial intelligence as a tool for incredible efficiency. Instead of fearing it, you have to treat AI as a foundational tool. It's really no different than the invention of the wheel, fire, or even the internet. Back in the 90s, people were terrified of the internet. And the folks who didn't adapt, they just got left behind. AI is the exact same thing. It makes execution and distribution insanely cheap and fast. Stuff that used to cost thousands of dollars a month, like building funnels, copywriting, script writing, can now be done in a fraction of the time and cost. But the secret sauce is how you use it. Don't just ask AI to write from scratch. Step 1 is the brain dump. You take your messy, unstructured, actual intelligence, your real stories, your unique experiences, and you just pour it into the prompt. Step 2 is AI synthesis. This is where you let the AI act as your editor, organizing your personal ideas into a tight, compelling framework. You aren't replacing your voice, you're just synthesizing it. Doing this literally turns a 3-hour struggle into a 10-minute sprint. Then step 3, rapid execution. Push that synthesized idea to the market immediately, which brings us to this. Speed equals faster feedback loops. Speed isn't just about posting more often. It's about executing rapidly so you can get real-time analog feedback from actual human beings. The faster you get an idea out of your brain synthesized by AI and into the marketplace, the faster you get comments, emails, and direct feedback. You want to stay analog in a digital world. Talk to real people. Learn exactly what pain points they have and refine your offers based on what they actually tell you they want. Section 4. Cultivating the right audience. Now that you have that speed, let's talk about where to direct it. 30. Just 30. That number represents the maximum views on any single video for a specific community member who still managed to generate a $10,000 sale. I love this because it completely shatters the myth that you need millions of views. It proves you only need the right audience, not the biggest. And that's why niche positioning wins every single time. Look, broad self-help is a super crowded market. But by specific targeting, like changing generic titles to specifically target people dealing with, say, a narcissistic ex, You stand out instantly. You attract a highly lucrative targeted group. Let's just do the math. If you have 300 dedicated people paying $100 a month, that is a $30,000 a month business. You can do a massive amount with a very small focus group. To get those dedicated people, you've got to close what's called the transformation gap. This is just the space between a viewer's painful current situation and their desired result. You don't have to be a world-renowned guru. You become the perceived expert simply by showing up consistently to teach and close this gap for your audience. You draw them away from their pain, and that builds incredible trust. So how do you start building this leverage? With execution made incredibly cheap by AI and your positioning dialed in, we have to ask how you transform all of this into a permanent business that actually lasts. Section 5, the evergreen YouTube asset. Let's look at the final piece of the puzzle to build your compounding machine. Think about the difference here. On one side, short-form social media. It's here today, completely gone tomorrow. You post and the lifespan of that content vanishes in hours. But YouTube is an evergreen search engine. Videos from literally years ago continue to drive traffic, leads, and sales every single month. It is a compounding digital asset. Because of that, you have to treat your channel as a business, not a hobby. Treat every single video as a 24/7 salesperson working for you around the clock, driving constant traffic to your digital products. It offers us incredible compounding effect that rivals traditional real estate, but without the headaches. No property taxes, no broken pipes, no difficult tenants. So what does this all mean for you? The opportunity of a lifetime only lasts for the lifetime of the opportunity. Will you sit on your hands waiting for the perfect tomorrow? Or will you use AI today to build your permanent digital asset? Thanks for hanging out with me on this explainer, and I really hope this sparks the fire for you to get out there and start building. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're ready to take your digital product sales to the next level, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Lead Creator AI is designed to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience and boost your online sales effortlessly. Imagine having a powerful tool that not only understands your business needs, but also helps you create targeted leads that convert. This is your chance to see it in action and discover how it can transform your sales strategy. I invite you to watch the exclusive demo presented by the founder of Lead Creator AI. This is more than just a product demonstration. It's a glimpse into the vision and passion behind the technology. The founder shares insights on how Lead Creator AI is tailored to help you achieve the success you've been striving for. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing digital product sales, this tool provides smart automation, lead generation, and customer engagement strategies that work seamlessly. The demo will show you how easy it is to integrate Lead Creator AI into your current workflow, saving you time and increasing your revenue potential. It's designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing products. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your business. Watching the demo is the first step toward unlocking the full potential of Lead Creator AI. You'll see real examples of how it can help you attract more customers, nurture leads, and close sales faster than ever before. The success stories from users just like you are inspiring and prove that with the right tools, your digital products can reach new heights. Take a moment now to click the link below and start your journey to greater success.